What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I have my main man Carl here with me today. Do you want to say hello? Do you want to say hello? This is really why everybody's here, let's just be honest, and you are the biggest camera hog of my entire life. Today, let's talk about Sephora VIB Rouge sale, 20% off everything. Listen, let's just go shopping together. That's what we're gonna do. If you guys wanna talk the best beauty products, if you guys wanna hang out with me and Carl and chat about all of the best like hair, skin, makeup, everything, all on sale, then just keep watching. All right, so if you have no idea what I'm talking about, there is 2 sales a year at Sephora where pretty much everything is up to 20% off. So if you don't have the code yet, it's Spring Save, all in capital letters. And I have added all of my must-haves, things that I'm replenishing to my cart, as well as like my wish list. And I want to take you guys through what you probably should be buying right now. So if you've been eyeing something that is full pop and you can get it for 20% off, then let's talk. And even if you just want to shop right now, I've got you. So I've been getting a lot of questions about what I've been doing, if we're good. We are good. We always work, so like nothing has really changed other than the fact that we both don't do groceries together, but we're good. I'm just online shopping a little bit more than usual, so I figured I would do that with you guys today. But if you want to see a day in the life of what we're up to, I am more than happy to do that. So if that's something you guys want to see, let me know down below. I actually just did my nails and they're like an ombre. So right now my hands are cold, but if I warm up throughout this video, you'll see they'll change color. So I feel like I should do a tutorial on how I did my own acrylic nails. Yeah, my hands are freezing. Okay, through the video, hopefully they warm up. So let's jump into this in no particular order. I have my Sephora app open with me and I'm gonna give you guys all the prices popped up on the screen. I will also tell you where to get stuff at a discount if for whatever reason it's sold out, because things are selling out really, really fast and it's annoying. And I've been through this myself already, so I'm gonna take you guys through this. So let's start with hair. I have not stopped talking about these items. I get a lot of questions about what I have done to go from hair that couldn't grow past here and like dead and just brittle and broken and sad and lack of hydration to now it's growing. I don't have any extensions in, things are happening. I would love to do a fully dedicated hair video from everything that I did to nutrition, supplements, products, how I styled it, but today let's talk about styling. So I wanted this so bad for Christmas and it is all that I use. So you guys might see, I have a new attachment on it. I actually bought this attachment separately. Don't be like me, buy the whole kit. So I will link the entire bundle. It comes with something like 6 or 7 little attachments. They're all different. They all are amazing. They add volume. They will straighten or volumize or curl. Incredible. Yes, it's pricey, but that is what the sale is for. So go check that out. The other thing that I still use that I always loved is the Dyson. Is the hype real? Yes. It's literally something that has saved my hair because there's no heat. It's like a different, I don't know, like an ionic something. And on my wish list, there's a straightener. There's now a straightener and it looks beautiful and I want it. We'll see. So moving on from hair to skin and something that I literally use every single day. I've been using it especially like on my jawline and then all the way down my neck and my chest. And I will show you guys the creams that I use with this, but this baby, same thing. I got this for Christmas with the little attachments. It's called the Mia Smart. This is my favorite attachment. So it's a little bit dirty right now because I literally just used it to do my makeup. And what I'll do, I use it in the morning and at night. Before I do my makeup, I put on a serum, which I will show you, and I apply it all over my face. And because it's the Mia Smart, it's tailored to you, so it'll beep when you're supposed to change spots on your face. So this is the facial massager. It'll come with a cleansing brush, which I always use, and it's super easy to change out the attachments. So just pop it in like so, and you're good to go. And then you can cleanse your face. And then there is one that I just bought that is the exfoliating one. So it's the orange one. The one that I want that's on my wish list is the eye one. So it's like 2 little metal balls. Oh my gosh, it looks amazing. So this is the exfoliating one. Mia Smart, you need it. I had heard so much hype about it and I'm here to tell you that the hype is real. Basically, that's what this video is about. We're gonna hang out, we're gonna shop together and talk about the hype. Now, Okay, let's go on to skincare and what I actually use this for. This is another hyped brand that I have personally loved forever. Now, usually at Sephora, products will come out in the States before they come out in Canada. This has been out in Canada for years. It was never available in the States. So I have been using this product, this company, for well over 5 years. So it's called La Neige. I've been using the sleeping masks. So the sleep mask is a lip mask. They have a sleeping face mask. The lip mask is the best lippy you will ever buy. This is my favorite. That's why I'm showing you guys this one. I have it in every single flavor and many of. So the original, the OG is the pink one. My first favorite is this one. This is the mint. I think this is mint choco. Yeah, mint chocolate, go figure. Peppermint mocha. Are we surprised? So love this one. My second favorite is the white one, which is vanilla. Third favorite would be the OG. There's a candy one. Amazing. Now, I just bought this. This is probably one of their newest products, but I have something from this company on my wish list. So this is the Sika sleeping mask, hypoallergenic replenishing night mask. So this is what I use at night, most nights. And then with the Mia Smart, I will apply it with the massage attachment. It's the bee's knees. It's the best. Now, this company, La Neige, just launched and it's literally in my cart, a glowy makeup serum. First of all, it's pink. It is for all skin types, and it will help you with any dryness, dullness, and uneven texture. So it's meant to apply before your makeup, and it gives you a longer lasting makeup wear and doesn't make you go oily and cakey. Yes. And also I trust the brand. So that's around $40. Now, moving on to more stuff that's on my wish list. I had heard, this is literally all really, really hyped products that I'm here to tell you are the truth. I think that's the theme of today's video, is all of these hyped things that I had heard that had really good reviews, and I was like, are they really that good? Yes. So Sunday Riley, this came in a little pack of 3, so there's also a night cream, but these are the 2 things that I use every single morning. I'm obsessed. First of all, they smell super, super clean, and they're working. They're taking away my wrinkles, which I love. So one is Good Genes all-in-one lactic acid treatment. I use this with the Mia Smart, the Clarisonic, and I massage all over my face, then I do my makeup. And right after I do this, I put on the CEO Glow, which is a vitamin C and turmeric face oil. If you have oily skin, the best thing you can do is to find a really good face oil. I know that sounds counterproductive. It's the best thing for you. Now, on my wish list, which I just got, was, because I have oily skin, I got their UFO collection. So it's made for, let me show you. So it's a green collection. So this one's like the orange one. So there's the Sunday Riley UFO Ultra Clarifying Face Oil. And it comes in a little kit. At least I had gotten in a kit. So they have the oil on here. I'll give you guys the link to the kit I bought, and it was on sale also. So I might divert you a little bit from Sephora if you can't find it, but that might save you. One thing that I want to talk about that I got diverted today, and it's in terms of skincare. I have been wanting a facial steamer forever, and I was like first in line to check out this morning, and the facial steamer on Sephora was gone. So it was the Dr. Denis Gross skincare, and it's about $200 for this freaking steamer, and I really wanted it. Of course it's gone. Any of the pricey stuff is probably gonna be gone already. I got it for cheaper on another website. So I got it, I'm super pumped about it. Apparently it's amazing. Yes, you can get like cheap dupes on Amazon. I will link one down below for you, but if you want like the big dog real facial steamer, I've been wanting one forever. So much yes. And with that facial steamer, I got he's known for like his peeling pads. I got that too. Okay, speaking of peeling. You might have heard of this. This is called The Ordinary, and this is their peeling solution. When you apply this, it does in fact look like a vial of blood. It will look like it on your face too. It's amazing. Amazing. Now, okay, here's what I love about this brand. I only brought down 2. In my beauty room, I have like 20 of these. They're so cheap. They're like $10 each. They're amazing. And the reason why is there's no filler. It's like, it's one ingredient, 1 or 2 ingredients. So what I'm gonna do is I'm trying to get this serum that I really, really want. But it's out of control, it's like stupid. So what I looked for was what's in it, what's in that serum that I'm trying to get, and to find the exact same ingredients from The Ordinary and just create my own little serum by combining the ingredients. So much cheaper to do. And the other one that I'm loving, so this peeling one, I have a hyaluronic acid upstairs that I always use, but this one is a high strength vitamin and mineral blemish formula. Don't even ask me to pronounce the potion. It literally feels like you feel like a little potion maker whenever you're using these things. And then you can put together a full regime. Amazing. And I share this because they're not expensive, plus the discount. Incredible. And they have a hair serum also, which I love. One of the other things that I picked up today was the Dr. Denis Gross hair kit, which was not from Sephora because I diverted my attention elsewhere and found another sale, which I was really excited about. Okay, a couple more things in terms of hair. I have, and I'm gonna check out with this because it's still there, the Moroccan Oil Thickening Lotion. I didn't even know that was a thing. And the Ordinary, okay, I have two of them. Matrixyl 10% HA, which that's $11.50. I'm pretty sure I'm on the Canada site, so it's even cheaper in the States. And this is for, I heard good things. It's like the Botox in a bottle. I Pinterest it. So high strength peptide formulation, fine lines and wrinkles. The other one that I have in my kit is the Mandelic. This is $6.70. Amazing. 10% mandelic acid formulation that offers a gentle exfoliation for all skin types, dullness and uneven texture. So if you have like little scars or little bumps from acne, yes. All right, the last thing that I wanted to share, because it now comes in different shades and I've been obsessed with this forever. And I think that we could all use a little sunny glow right now since we're all stuck inside, but Body Lava by Fenty. It's the greatest thing ever. It smells delish. And you will never run out. Like, I've had this forever and I just love it. It's the prettiest. If you're wearing like a little low cut thing, not that any of us are right now, but listen, when you are ready to go out and about, or if you just want to feel fabulous and walk around in your bikini in your house, put some on your shoulders, on your chest. Carl is ready to come back inside. He's losing his mind. It's the best. It smells delish. It's amazing. It's just a bit pricey, so I feel like it's perfect for the sale. That is everything I wanted to share with you guys. I will pop up a couple of suggestions on my Like to Know It, which is basically like my little blog platform. I always share what I'm wearing, what I'm loving on there, so you can follow along on there. You can get the app and you can just be like, okay, Angie posted on Instagram. I want to know where she got that shirt. If you click on there, I always post my Instagram picture and I will tag every single thing and where it's from. So follow along on there. I will share all of these goodies and more. I will link all of them down below as well, so it's easy access for you guys. And happy shopping. Tag me on Instagram and please let me know what you guys got, if you got anything, what you want, what's on your wish list. I want to hear about it. I think the thing I'm most excited for is the facial steamer and the exfoliating pads that I got combined with that. I got so much free stuff combined with that. So like I said, I will link all of that down below, but the sale is on for a little while. It just launched early this morning for VIB Rouge, and then it goes out to VIB, and then it goes out to, I think it's like select members is the way that they call it. So amazing. Again, I think I told you guys the promo code was Spring Save. Spring Save, 20% off, ends May 1st. So we got a little whiles to go. I'm gonna keep shopping. I want the root boost now from Moroccan Oil. I want everything. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked shopping and hanging out together. Make sure that you are subscribed so you get all the future videos and you get notified whenever I randomly upload a video like this, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, dudes.